Okay, folks, this is the 3rd of January 2012. Happy New Year. And the Rowland Heights Gazette is bringing it to you. Your Rowland Unified School District, homegrown here, and its management decided to send some of its cadre to the country of China on your tax dollar, by the way, to see how the Chinese do education. Now, if I seem a little critical, you'll have to forgive me, but Citizen Cindy, who happens to be Chinese, by the way, has said, I didn't even hardly get it out of my mouth when I informed her of this event, and the first word out of her mouth was stupid. Now, you think, what is this all about? You have to go to China, Taiwan, or any place on the globe to try to figure out how do the Chinese do their education. So, hey, did you think about looking in Rowland Heights? My God, 52% of the population is Chinese. Get it straight. You want to know why the Asian community has taken over the academic world of California and all points east? Check it out. You don't have to go anyplace else. Number one, if you just take a look at China, what is a major issue there? They all speak Chinese. And you don't go into, because you don't have bilingual this and bilingual that and things in 15 different languages and so forth. It's one language, Chinese. Wake the bleep up, people. If I sound a little on the outraged side, you all should be outraged that these clowns, they're supposed to be, quote, the educators and PhDs and all this, are wasting your tax money because they're too stupid to look in their own backyard. My God, who dominates the spelling bee situation every year? It's an Asian, for God's sake. Wake up, people. Next issue, now that we got it, that everybody is speaking English, hello, and none of that bilingual crap, hello. And if you have a doubt about that, ask Dave Martinez. He'll give you the outrage point. Matter of fact, I might ask Raven Dave to come over here and start screaming at you, knock off this bilingual crap. That's all it is. And guess what? In China, they don't have, oh, this test is biased, this test is prejudiced, this test is done for Latinos and all that crap. Get off of it. Get rid of it. Everybody takes the same test, give the same information, and that's why they excel. You know, and it's none of this bull crap and, oh, we got to spend more money to get more Latinos to go to this college or that college. Hey, you make it on your own or forget about it. Wake up, people. Now, that's the end of this outrage report. And if you're outraged, hey, send me something by email so we can share how you think that Latinos or blacks or anybody should get special treatment on anything. It's one standard, folks. Wake up. That's why you're failing as a country, as a community, as a state, because you got all this crap going, spending all your money and time on this crap. End of this phase of outrage. Bye now.